Your water supply pipe carries drinking water into your home from the main in the street. To make sure you get top-quality drinking water and to prevent costly leaks, it's important your water supply pipe is installed and repaired by a trusted professional. Not sure where to find one? WaterSafe.org.uk is the UK register for approved contractors working on water supply systems, so it's easy to find someone who's competent and qualified. Don't forget that installing a new water supply pipe, for example as part of a building or renovation project, is a specialist job. You shouldn't take any risks when it comes to drinking water. Likewise, leaky underground pipes could potentially damage your property and push up your water bills. An approved water supply pipe installer can help advise on dealing with leaks on your supply pipe. They can also replace any lead piping. To find your nearest WaterSafe-approved contractor, simply visit watersafe.org.uk, enter your postcode, and select Water Supply Pipe Installers.